Hello guys, welcome back to another tech video. In this video I will fix the corrupt USB. So first you have to press Windows plus R, and here you can see CMD, which stands for command. So I am searching the CMD. So here our command will open. So here first you have to press right disk part and enter it, so we can get another command prompt. So it will open. So now search it, list disk. So our disk 2 were open now. So here you can see the disk 2 is my USB, is 29 GB. So I want to select the disk 2. After selecting the disk 2, I will write the clean, so it will clean my USB drive, and then create a partition primary. After creating a partition primary, I will maximize it. So here you can write the format and enter it. So now our USB is formatting, so it will take an hour. So I'm waiting for 100% completed. So if it completed now, so our USB will fixed. So here you can see our USB is successfully formatted. So I will close out the browser. So here you can see our USB is now fixed. Thanks for watching.